Hey everybody, it's Lazarus, and I'm spending the entire day eating like Beyoncé, Queen Bey. So you're probably wondering, like me, how does Beyoncé eat every day, right? She's this beautiful queen. I read somewhere that when she was preparing for Coachella, aka Beychella, that she actually switched to a vegan-based diet. And she just realized that it helped her stay, feel good about herself, and her energy was up. So I'm actually gonna try to eat like a vegan all day. Before we get started, just click on that button over there to subscribe. You know you want to. For breakfast, I'm making an acai bowl, which is this super powerful berry, and I'm gonna add that into a blender with some other lovely things. And I'm gonna dress it with some other fun, vegan-friendly items. Beyoncé, tell me the truth. Is this how you eat breakfast for real? This is a lot of breakfast. Guys, I'm really enjoying this. This acai bowl, it is giving me so much life. I mean, oh my God, the textures, the coconut, the walnuts, the pepitas, it's just really working. Think of a smoothie, just like with all your favorite toppings on it. I could totally eat this every day. Beyoncé, kudos to you. This acai bowl has me feeling so energized and pumped. I feel like I'm gonna run the world, like Beyoncé. Hold up. I've worked up an appetite, and so I'm excited to taste Beyoncé's open face hummus and beet sandwich. This is actually going to be served with a cheek of mango. How cute is that? Cheek of mango. And if you like it, you got to put a beet on it, right? Okay, it's time for lunch. Doesn't this look great? Okay, lunch was so good. Beyoncé definitely knows how to slay, not just on the dance floor, but also in the kitchen. I'm feeling this meal. I'm definitely incorporating this into my life. I feel like I'm ready to go to a dance class. I want to dance. That beat in my teeth. I'm on my way to dance class. Yes, I am. And I'm not walking because Beyoncé doesn't walk to dance class. She gets in her black SUV. That's right.
I hear that you want to dance like Beyoncé.
I do.
Give me hip, 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 hip. Love all of that.
You really know Beyoncé.
I mean, it's my life.
Yeah.
Step. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Boom, ba, 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 da. Right. And boom. Punch, a punch, a punch, punch, punch. A da, da, da. Let me see it. Here we are, Bubbas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's right. At the knees. Boom, you got it. Da, da, da. Again. Boom. A da, da, da. You're there. How do you feel? Do you feel fierce?
I feel good. I feel
Good.
fierce. Like I can conquer the world.
You can conquer the world. Yeah. Okay.
That took a lot of effort. Okay, Beyoncé, I don't know how you do it, but that's what makes you the queen. I'm gonna rehydrate with her fruit-infused water, just some lemons and some strawberries, kind of make a lemonade, Beyoncé style. Looks like it kind of wants to be rosé. All right, I'm on my way to get some groceries to make some dinner, and you know what? I don't feel like it. I think we've had a lot of Beyoncé vegan meals today. It's time to switch it up. I know where I can go. I can go to Beyoncé's favorite pizzeria in Brooklyn called Lucali. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go. Excuse me, can we go to Locale, please, in Brooklyn?
Sure.
Can we do that?
We are on our way.
On our way. Check out that pizza. Uh-oh. Do you see that pepperoni? It's not vegan, but it looks good. It smells so good. The basil, the tomato sauce. I know why Queen Bey skipped the Grammys for Locale. I don't know what just happened, but I went somewhere. I feel like I died and came back because this pizza, oh my God, worth all the hype. I needed the pepperoni. My belly was like, meat, I want meat. Beyoncé, thanks for the recommendation. Where's my driver? I'm ready to go. I'm ready. Hey food fans, thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, you can click over there and make sure that you subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel right over there. Let me know in the comments box who you want to see me eat like next week. See you later.